Hello everyone, I'm Song Chen and the Wandering World in Eyes. As we all know, there's rich intangible cultural heritage in Sichuan province of China, such as Shu embroidery, Emei martial arts, Sichuan dulcimer, etc. These traditional cultures have been well protected and inherited in the course of several thousand years. In Chiang Mai, Thailand, which is about 3,000 kilometers away from Sichuan, there is a school that is dedicated to preserve the Lanna culture of northern Thailand. Let's take a look.
Lanna was once a kingdom that commanded northern Thailand. Lanna culture, the culture of northern Thailand with Chiang Mai as the center, was formed during this period and lasts till today. It includes dance, food, architecture, language, and so on. There are many Chinese ethnic minorities in northern Thailand, such as Miao Yao Dai, etc., which migrated from China to Thailand about 200 years ago. Today, the culture of these ethnic groups is one of the important parts of Lanna culture. Also, the origin of Lanna traditional dress can be traced in China, as it has inherited the characteristics of clothing in Miao and Dai ethnic groups.
Wow! Look at this! This is Thai embroidery. So special!
คือเทคนิคพวกนี้ครับเป็นเทคนิคที่ผมเดินทางเนาะเดินทางเพื่อที่จะไปเรียนรู้กับเจ้าของเทคนิคในจีนก็อยากไปเหมือนกันเนาะอยากไปที่กวางสีที่มีชนเผ่าจ้วงก็เลยอยากเข้าไปเรียนรู้กับชนเผ่าต่างๆในจีนด้วยครับในอนาคตเนาะวางแผนไว้ครับ
ขอบคุณครับ Look at this Lanna traditional dance. Let me have a try. 换个衣服先。
Round 1. Round 2.
Kakunkap.
Kakunkap.
Wow, I really appreciate my teacher today. Look at my sweat on me. I feel that the first dance is good for physical health. And I think the second dance is similar with the traditional dance of Dai ethnic group of China, like the soft postures and rhythm. You see, art in different countries is closely linked. Apart from dance, there are other interesting subjects. Let's move on. 哎，把衣服换回来先。
Thai people are good at weaving. The materials like vines and weaves are all available. Traditional Lanna flower design and handmade silverware reflect the pursuit of slow-paced life of Lanna culture.
Now I'm in Borsang Umbrella Village, which is famous for paper umbrella productions with a long history of over 200 years. It is said that the umbrellas are made manually and even the patterns on the umbrella are hand-painted. Let's have a look.
The mulberry leaves are dried and then soaked in water, being beaten repeatedly to be pulp. They are soaked to dye and turned into mulberry paper after being dried. This paper can be used to make all kinds of handicrafts.
Wow, this umbrella is so beautiful.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
You can try
Can I try?
You can
Wow. Okay, okay. Thank you.
What design would you like Panda butterfly
panda.
Panda
Panda.
Panda like that
Okay, okay.
Okay You can
So,
You can put the every time you can change the color. You put water here. You
Okay,
clean first.
okay, I see.
Okay. You see the first the white or after the black color. You can try.
okay. Now I decided to paint a panda umbrella for myself. Wow, umbrella painting really helps in elevating my character and patience. But I'm afraid I also need to get improved in painting.
Ah.
So do you know how this umbrella come into being?
I know somebody like tell me the more 100 years ago we have the monks go to the border Burma and China. You carry like the umbrella come in the Chiang Mai in the Bosang village here. You show gift for the monks for the season the raining for raining.
It's very useful
Used for
and
the
beautiful.
rain. Used for the rain. Not like that. Just only the cotton. Somebody got beautiful the umbrella. We want that that the people in the Bosang center like making for show the for people,
Visitors?
for,
Uh-huh.
like for sale. More 100 years I think so.
I see. This panda is so cute. This is my panda umbrella. สวยมากค่ะ Am I elegant? This umbrella shares similarity with our traditional Chinese oil paper umbrella. For example, the National Intangible Heritage of Luzhou in Sichuan Province oil paper umbrella still retains the ancient traditional manual production techniques. The persistence and inheritance of umbrella craftsmen enables the ancient crafts to sparkle in modern time. Wow, in such a scorching summer, it's so good to have a tasty and cool imperial meal. It's more enjoyable for me with the traditional performances of Lanna culture in northern Thailand. It's a fulfilling day. I've not only experienced the local culture, but also tasted authentic Thai food. In the end, I'd like to thank all those who are dedicated to inheriting and developing excellent traditional culture. Well, I'm Song Chen. See you next time.